Alright guys, welcome back to your first video after spring break. So we are going to look at finding the area of shaded regions, and you're going to start taking notes on page 469 in your book. So you can go there, open up to page 469. Remember, if you don't have your books, you can just write the notes on a separate sheet of paper. So watch this quick video, and this goes on with page 469, so you can fill in the blanks while you watch.
To find the area of a shaded region, first find the area of the entire figure. In this example, the entire figure is a rectangle. Multiply the length, 8 meters, by the width, 6 meters, to find the area. The area of the entire figure is 48 square meters. Next, find the area of the unshaded region. The unshaded region is a circle with a radius of 4 divided by 2, or 2 meters. Multiply pi by the square of the radius to find the area. The area of the circle is approximately 12.6 square meters. Finally, find the area of the shaded region by subtracting the area of the unshaded region from the area of the entire figure. The area of the shaded region is approximately 35.4 square meters.
So again, we want to find this gray. So all we have to do is find the area of both shapes and subtract one from the other. So this is on page 470. Look at this example, and we'll do this one together. We want to find the area of the shaded region, which is the blue. And basically what we have is a circle minus the square on the inside, and that's going to give us this shaded region right here. So let's look at this really quick. First, we're going to find the area of the entire figure, so the larger figure on the outside, which is the circle. And our area of a circle is this. And what is the radius of this circle? Can you see that the radius of this circle is actually going to be this distance right here, this 6 meters. So we're going to replace 6 for r. So 3.14 times 6 squared. Remember, we square the 6 first, then multiply by 3.14, and our area is approximately 113.04 square meters. Now we're going to find the area of the unshaded part, which is the square. The area of a square is side squared. And one side of the square, so you might have to look for the side lengths or the missing measurements, but one side of the square is 8.5 meters. So 8.5 squared is 72.25. So step 1, area of the whole thing. Step 2, area of the unshaded part. And then step 3, we're going to subtract the 2. Area of the circle, which is 113, minus the area of the square, which is 72. And that gives us the area of the shaded region, which is 40.79. So the area of the shaded region is 40.79 square meters. Okay, so let's look at another example. This one is not in your book, but you can write this down on the sides. This one's a little tricky here. We have the area of the shaded region, which is this pinkish purplish color, I guess. So what we're going to first have to do is find the area of the whole thing. And I'm going to make this simpler for us. Let's not worry about these fractions for now. Let's just say this is a 5 by 12 rectangle, and these are 1 by 1. Okay, so we'll ignore the fractions. The area of the whole rectangle is length times width, or 5 times 12, which would be 60 inches squared. So this whole rectangle is 60 inches squared, but I want just the shaded part. Well, if you look, the unshaded part is 4 triangles. So I have to find 4 triangles, but they are all the same. And the area of a triangle is half the base times the height. Now for these little triangles, the base and the height are both 1. So 1/2 of 1 times 1, which is just 1/2. So each of these little triangles has a area of 1/2. This one's 1/2, this one's 1/2, this one's 1/2, and this one is 1/2. So altogether, all the unshaded rectangles, or excuse me, all the unshaded parts, which is the 4 triangles, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1, 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1, so altogether those 4 triangles are 2 square inches. So the whole rectangle is 60. Those little triangles are 2, so that gives us 58 square inches for that shaded region. And we'll practice this more in class, but hopefully this gives you a little bit of a start. Step 1, area of the whole thing. Step 2, area of the unshaded parts. And then step 3, we subtract to find the area of the shaded part, and that's what you're going to do each time. That's all we've got for now. Don't forget to have a parent sign so I know that you watched this. All right, later.